Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's interesting concept of our channel is about phase 3 vaccine trials for COVID-19 in the world. Each one are very eager as when will this vaccine get released into the market. The number of cases in the world has crossed 14 million mark and more than 6 lakh people have died. The entire world is racing to find the vaccine. Many countries like US, Russia, China, UK along with India are trying to find a vaccine for COVID-19. More than 113 vaccines are under various stages of testing across the world. Before we could get into the details, we request you to subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also kindly click on the bell icon so that the videos we update will not be missed out. Not many would be aware of what is this phase 3 vaccine. As per WHO, they define vaccine into different stages. The pre-clinical testing, phase 1 safety trials, phase 2 expanded trials, the final stage or called the phase 3 efficacy trials. In the first stage, the scientists would be giving the vaccine to animals like mice and monkeys to see if it produces an immune response. In the second stage, the vaccine would be given to a small number of people to test safety and dosage and also to confirm that it stimulates the immune system. In the third stage, vaccine would be given to hundreds of people split into groups such as children and elderly to see if the vaccine acts differently in them. In the final stage, the vaccine would be given to thousands of people and would be observed as how many would be infected or who would be not infected. These trials can be determined if the vaccine protects against the coronavirus. After the 4 stages, it would be reviewed and will be decided whether to approve the vaccine or not. Let us have a deeper look into the final stage phase 3 efficiency trials taken around the world. British Swedish company AstraZeneca and the University of Oxford, based on a chimpanzee adenovirus, has developed the first vaccine. Their phase 1-2 trial reported on July 20 found that the vaccine was safe, causing no severe side effects. It raised antibodies against the coronavirus as well as other immune defenses. The vaccine is now in phase 2 and 3 trial in England, as well as the phase 3 trials in Brazil and South Africa. The project may deliver emergency vaccines by October. State-owned Chinese company Sinopharm launched phase 3 trials in July in the United Arab Emirates. Abu Dhabi's health minister was the first volunteer to be injected and 15,000 people were scheduled to participate in total. The private Chinese company Sinovac Biotech is testing an inactivated vaccine called CoronaVac. In June, the company announced the phase 1 and 2 trials on 743 volunteers found no severe side effects and produced an immune response. Sinovac then launched a phase 3 trial in Brazil in July. The Murdoch Children's Research Institute in Australia is conducting a phase 3 trial and several other trials are underway to see if the tuberculosis vaccine partially protects against the coronavirus. The human trials of India's indigenous Covaxin are set to begin in AIIMS Delhi, Redakar Hospital in Goa and Bhubaneswar Institute of Medical Sciences and SAM Hospital. Russia has been claiming that the world's first coronavirus COVID vaccine would be ready by August. Last week, phase 1 trial of the potential vaccine candidate involving military personnel was completed. However, no result has been published. The institute has already begun the next stage of testing with a larger group. US-based Moderna is developing a potential coronavirus vaccine candidate. In fact, it is the first organization to start the human trials of the vaccine candidate on March 16th. 5 days after the WHO has termed coronavirus as pandemic. The initial results have shown early promise. The firm will begin phase 3 trials with 30,000 on July 27th. Hope the information provided is helpful to all, and please guys, be careful, be safe and healthy. Please give a like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. Please do not forget to leave the comments and suggestions before you switch to the other task. Take care guys, we'll get back with other interesting topic.